All right, guys, another Prepared American here today. We're going to be doing a quick little gear review, you know, whatever you want to call it, on the Streamlight Macrostream USB rechargeable. So I have had this flashlight, and I'll have some close-ups popping up to kind of show its age, for 5 years now. This thing has been put through the washer and dryer on accident at least once, maybe twice. I thought recently that it stopped working. So I was like, dang, like that really sucks. Like I had this flashlight for a long time. Let's see how much they are, because I couldn't even remember how much they cost. It's $50. This little guy lasted me for 5 years on a single battery. Obviously it's rechargeable. You just pull that guy out, recharge it from the USB. But 5 years, one battery, one bulb, all original, and that's when it stopped working. So I thought to myself, dang, that sucks. Let's look. Saw it was 50 bucks. Like, I'm getting a new one, and the link for that will be in the description below. Got this guy in, and as I was filming the first take for this video, I said out loud, maybe it's the battery. And I was like, I have a new battery right here. So I swapped batteries into my old light that wasn't working, and she works. So it's just the battery. Battery had died, which makes sense. You know, lithium ion loses its power over so many charges. They're rated for a certain amount. It's a small battery. And I'll have a close-up popping up as that as well, so you can kind of see it to scale and stuff. But yeah, so that's awesome. I'm gonna keep running this guy for as long as it'll keep going. I want to see how long the bulb lasts. I want to see how long the pressure cap still feels great. It's cool because it's a multi-clip, so it is a belt clip like normal, but it's also a hat clip. You do this guy, you can have a light on your hat so you can be hands-free. I will say over time, the clip gets worn, so it pops off easy. I've popped it off probably 100 times. I don't know, that's maybe an exaggeration, but it always comes back. This is the original clip. I've dropped it in my yard, and I will find it like 3 weeks later and be like, huh, that's my belt clip, and just throw it right back on there. So it comes back, it's like a boomerang almost. This one's new. Let's see. Yeah, it definitely doesn't come off as easy. So I'm probably gonna swap those out. Swap out the new one onto the old light, so that way it just retains a little bit better. But yeah, these things, super tough, super durable, well worth the money. You know, 50 bucks to be able to see at night is a highly underrated tool to have on your everyday carry kind of thing. Because believe it or not, you can't just point a gun light at everything you want to see. It's probably irresponsible to point a gun at something you do not intend to destroy. And because of that, look at these lights. Weird. Safety, who would have thought? So that is my thoughts, my recommendation for if you need a handheld flashlight that is affordable and works very well and is very tough. Streamlight Macrostream USB, 50 bucks. Links in the description. Social media is in the description. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm flowing. Stay strapped. Stay hydrated. Stay blessed. Thanks, guys.